Hi everyone, welcome to this second installment of our series of tutorial on how to use Lyduz.com. So today we will be talking about the trade simulator or the virtual trade feature of Lyduz.com. For you guys who have not yet created an account with us, just go to Lyduz.com and create your free account today. Before we log in and start the main topic for this video, I'd like to show you a hidden trick on this login page, which basically sets the mood when you use Lyduz.com. So there are two modes wherein you want your interface to be. It's the light mode and the dark mode. You can set that even before you enter Lyduz.com. So the process of doing that is you just click this light here. If you click it, it will become the light mode, and once you enter, you will enter the site on a dark mode. I'm sorry. So if you click that again, it will return back to light mode. So that's it. Create an account, hit this sign up button here, and see you on the inside. So after you've logged in, you will be redirected to this page. This is basically our social page. This is where people share their ideas and interact with their fellow traders. When you are on the social page, just click virtual trading. After you click virtual trading, you will be again redirected to our virtual trading feature. This is the virtual trading page. This is where all the magic happens. You can try your setup, you can experiment and gain screen time so that you will be founded on actual experience, except that all of your activities here are done via a virtual money. It's risk-free. If you lose just the virtual money. There's no real money involved. So do as you like. The first feature that I wanted to share to you guys is that our virtual trading platform has the capacity to hold multiple portfolio. Now, once you've logged in, and if you are new to the site, we have already pre-created a default and pre-made portfolio, and that would be named My Virtual Portfolio right here. So if you wish to add a portfolio, say for example you wanted to separate your virtual portfolio for all your trading activities, meaning these are short-term buying and selling, and you wanted to separate also those that are for your investments, you can do it by creating another portfolio and labeling those portfolio accordingly. So this is something that is only available at Lyduz.com. So yes, there are two ways to create or to enter a buy and sell order within our virtual trading platform. The first is via this button here, which is named trade. If you wanna enter a trade, just click that button and select, say for example, a stock. Say for example you wanted to trade fruit, just hit that one and press continue, and then lodge it on the portfolio that you want to lodge it. Say for example in this case I only have one portfolio, so I would be recording this activity on my virtual portfolio. So for this stock, I wanted to buy, say for example, 5,000 shares. You will be prompted with a total cost right here, and press continue. And for the benefit of you being conscious of all the activities that you've created here, you are encouraged to enter the strategy that prompted you to, say for example, buy this particular stock. Say for example this is a breakout play, you click breakout play. Your trade plan, say for example this is going to be a swing trade, I'll be selling this in a week's time, and your current emotional state at the time that you're trading. So for example, I am neutral at this point in time. So enter your note. Say for example, I just here put sample note and then press confirm. That's it. And your order for fruit will already be there, and it's already reflected on your open positions, which is right here. Now say for example, I have made a virtual trade earlier for HLCM or Hulsim, and I wanted to take in the profit. I currently profited 745.10 pesos or 2.56 percent gain. And if say for example I wanted to sell that, I just click again trade and then click sell and then click the drop down, and you'll notice that all the stocks that will reflect here are those stocks that you are currently holding. So for today we are selling our position for HLCM. We click continue, and then automatically this will be populated by the number of shares that you're currently holding. That is basically this one, your position. That's 2,200 shares, and I'm going to sell it on a market price. So the market price right now is 13 pesos and 68 centavos. So we confirm this one, and automatically Holcim is gone. We already booked a realized profit of 742.64 pesos. You will also see that here on the trade log tab. There you go. Holcim is already lodged in our trade logs. So that's it. This is one way of creating a trade for a particular stock. There is another way to do virtual trading, and that is via the chart page. Say for example you click interactive chart. So after clicking the interactive chart icon on the side navigation, you will be redirected to our chart page. And for example, you wanted to do a virtual trade within our chart page, you can also do that. You simply go to the stock that you wanted to trade. In this case, say for example we wanted to trade ABS, so that's ABS CBN right here. Go to ABS, and once you are on the ABS chart, just click trade. After you click trade, just choose this one. This basically represents paper trade or virtual trading. So click paper trade, and you will be prompted to this part of the paper trading or virtual trading feature, wherein you can buy this particular stock, ABS CBN. You have here reflected is your available funds. You have 93,000. Your buy price would be equivalent to the market price right here. And say for example for ABS we wanted to buy 5,000 shares. You will lodge this on your virtual portfolio, and then you select your strategy. Say for example this is a say for example it's a trend following. You select your trade plan. Say for example I'll day trade this one, and then our emotion is that we are greedy at this point in time, and then input your note. I'll just put here sample note, and then press continue. When you press continue, you will be prompted with a dialog box or a modal confirming your trade, and if you are good with this, just click confirm. Once you click the confirm button, and you will be notified that the trade was already successful. Close this one. We check that out again. Say for example we go back to the virtual trading page. Just click virtual trading. So when you're inside the virtual trading page, you will see that ABS is already here, and we bought 500 shares, and currently we are negative 1.19. So in the same manner, you can also sell within the chart page. Go to the chart page again, and once you're on the chart page, just go to the stock that you wanted to trade. That's ABS-CBN, and in this case, for example, we're trying to sell our holding or our position for ABS-CBN. Once you are directed here, just click trade. After you click trade, you will see again these options. Go to paper trade, and then say for example for ABS-CBN we wanted to sell this one. Just click sell. You select the portfolio wherein it was lodged, your virtual portfolio, and then it will automatically be populated with your current position. So this is at 100%. We're selling all of it. That's 500 shares. Just click continue and confirm. Once you click confirm, automatically ABS-CBN is already sold. So if you wanted to check that again, we go back to the virtual trading page. Go to virtual trading. Once you are inside virtual trading, you will see that ABS-CBN is already sold. It's no longer on our open positions. Rather, it will be already on our trade logs. So we sold ABS-CBN at a loss of negative 120.84. So those are how to enter a trade. Now there's one key function here. Let me bring you back to the chart page. Say for example, you're practicing a setup wherein you wanted to catch fast-moving opportunities, meaning you saw one particular stock who's probably on a breakout and you wanted to ride that breakout. There is a feature inside. Let's say for example, let's find another stock. Say for example Hulsim. We click Hulsim, and we're just making a scenario here. Say for example Hulsim is on a rise, and you see that Hulsim is going on a breakout, and you wanted to execute a trade within your virtual trading feature. We have a feature inside where you can execute a trade very swiftly. So we go back to the trade tab again. We click paper trade, and this is the part where the magic happens in instances or in circumstances where you wanted to deploy your funds as quickly as possible. So we have this feature, we call it quick trade. Say for example we wanted to buy Hulsim while Hulsim is on a rise, on a very fast paced rise. So we click quick trade, and then you will be prompted with this dialog box. You will have to choose whether to deploy 10% of your entire portfolio, 30%, or custom. So for example, the best practice is that we deploy the maximum 30% of our portfolio. Just click 30%, and automatically it will populate this this portion here with 30% of your portfolio. Now if you say for example you wanted to buy above 30%, you can put a custom percentage here. Say for example 50%, we wanted to buy 50%. Automatically it will deploy, automatically it will populate with that percentage from your portfolio. So if we try to count it, for example we wanted to do a quick trade. Now in this case we say 30%. Let's do this again. Quick trade, 30%, confirm, it's done. So that's basically 2 clicks deployment of your funds. So again, click quick trade. 30% is already pre-selected once you select that from your previous trades. So click number 1 is you click this button, quick trade. Click number 2 is confirm. Once you click confirm, you already deployed 30% of your portfolio. So if you want to check that out, it's again on the virtual trading page. Just click virtual trading, and now you will see that we have again a position for HLCM. So yeah, that's basically how to enter a trade on your virtual trading activities. Now the good thing about this, what cuts this above the rest, is that all of your trades created or inputted within this feature automatically goes also into your trading journal. And if you wanted to see how you perform on your virtual trading activities, just select my virtual portfolio right here. So if you click my virtual portfolio, it will populate with your activities on your virtual trading activities. So you can see here you have your trade logs, all of those stocks that you have traded on the dashboard. It functions basically as if it's your regular journal. You'll see here where your money is deployed. You will see your performance, that your booked profits already 621, or that's 0.62% performance versus your capital of 100,000. So your equity curve on March 10, you've jumped to a total equity of 100,240. You will see here your performance. You don't have a performance for Feb. I have a losing January, and now on March I made 742, and the rest is also here. Now I have a different video on the trading journal. You try to check it out. I put the link on the description box so that you have a full appreciation of our trading journal. That's it for this episode, and I hope that we see you inside Lyduz.com soon and try to mingle with these traders that are already inside. That's it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.